Hi, welcome back to my channel, Maison Network. So I just have one tip today. If you have this dry mill blender and suddenly it's stuck, because just now I tried to blend salt and then it's stuck, so I can't open it. On is the left or right? Can't open it. So what we do? Let's go. So I have prepared the hot boiling water, but this is almost 100 Celsius, almost. So the problem is this place, right? This place, so this area. So we must dip it here, and must make sure you have something to hold it. I'm using the knife sharpener, a traditional knife sharpener. So we boil it, we wait for about 15 to 20 minutes. It's already 5 minutes now, so I want to try to flip over the dry milk. See how it goes. It's already open. I don't need to, you see? Let's take it out. Okay, in just 5 minutes, it shows that it doesn't really round anymore. It's like the affected the hot water affected the plastic. So through this way. Super easy to open it. There you go. Got it. Thank you for watching. Just 5 minutes on boiling water. Thank you. Bye.